I wanted to inspire other kids to really open up their minds and delve into this materials world, because materials involves everything, right? Everything is made out of materials.
A recent trend shows that the U.S. is falling behind in students excelling in science, math, and science technology careers vital to the economy and the future of our world. The ASM Materials Education Foundation was developed to combat this recent trend and reignite students' and education professionals' passion for STEM subjects and career paths that incorporate that knowledge.
I was looking at a different branch of engineering. I had experience with robotics and stuff, but I'm thinking about maybe going into metallurgy now.
I was kind of between business and engineering, and this really makes me want to do a lot more engineering, learn more about how things work and materials.
Materials science has a proven track record of integrating STEM subjects through real-world, hands-on activities to stimulate the interest of students. The ASM Materials Camp for Teachers provides professional development in both knowledge and methods. Materials Camps for Students provides hands-on, team-based problem-solving experiences.
So they get a whole bunch of material science that you might do in a year or half semester course jammed into 1 week.
So many hands-on activities. I'm going to have to take a week when I get home just to walk back through all the activities and to incorporate them into my classroom.
Since 2000, the ASM Materials Education Foundation has inspired, engaged, and empowered students and teachers through material science activities. Students use chemistry, math, physics, and other subjects to study materials and their responses to different environments. Of the students we have had in the program, 84% of students enroll in undergrad science programs, 61% enroll in engineering, 49% select materials majors. Our teachers are eligible to receive 4 continuing education units and can opt for 2 graduate level credits. Since inception, the foundation has conducted 346 student camps with over 15,000 participants and 418 teacher camps with almost 10,000 participants. As the ASM Materials Education Foundation seeks to expand and improve its reach to students and teachers, we continue to enhance our programming and resources available to them. Your support can help us continue this important work and pass on your passion for materials and STEM to the next generation.